Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about different types of leaves. Okay, I will show to you some types of leaves. You have to identify the leaves and say the name of the leaves. Which plant's leaf is that you have to identify and say to me. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is mango leaf. Okay. Yes. This is leaf of hibiscus leaf. Okay, very good. Now, yes, which type of leaf is this? Yes, which plant's leaf is this? Yes, it is neem leaves. Okay, next one. Yes, it is the leaf of rose plant. Okay, yes, this is curry leaves. This is curry leaves. Okay, now I showed you different types of leaves. Okay, now you have to say to me how these two leaves are different each other. Yes, when we look at these leaves we can identify how these leaves are different each other. Yes, how these two leaves are different, children? Yes, we can find that this leaf has only one leaf blade. This leaf has only one leaf blade, and here we can see this leaf has many leaf blade. This leaf has many leaf blade, so we can divide the leaves into two types. Okay, which are two types of leaves? Yes, first one is simple leaf. First one is simple leaf, and second one is compound leaf. Compound leaf. Okay, so these are two types of leaf, simple leaf and compound leaf. So leaves are two types. Which are two types? Simple leaf and compound leaf. Okay, then how is simple leaf? Simple leaf has only one leaf blade. We know which is leaf blade. Yes, this flat part of leaf is called leaf blade. We studied, right? So simple leaf has only one leaf blade. Okay, simple leaf has one leaf blade, but in the case of compound leaf we can see more leaf blades are there, right? You can see more leaves, right? So compound leaf has more leaf blade. Okay, so how is simple leaf is different from compound leaf? Simple leaf has one leaf blade or single leaf blade. Okay, one leaf blade, or we can say single leaf blade. Okay, compound leaf has many leaf blade. Compound leaf has many leaf blades. So in the compound leaf you can see many leaves are there, right? Many leaf blades we can see. So this each leaf is called leaflets. Each small leaves are called leaflets. Okay, leaflets. This is a keyword for you. So today three keyword you studied today. Which are the three keyword? Simple leaf, compound leaf and leaflets. Okay, so simple leaf has one leaf blade or single leaf blade will be there for simple leaf. Okay, compound leaf has many leaf blades. Okay, many leaf blades we can see on in compound leaf. Okay, now see children, how is the simple leaf? So look, simple leaf, the leaf is directly connected to the stem. In simple leaf, we already studied which part of leaf connect leaf to the stem. Yes, it is stalk we studied. So see children, simple leaf is directly connected to the stem. Okay, so simple leaf is directly connected to the stem. Directly connected to the stem. Okay, but in the case of compound leaf, how it is connected, children? In the compound leaf, many leaves, see, in compound leaf, many leaves are connected in a single stalk. You can see one big line here. You can see what is that? It is the stalk of this plant. Okay, this leaf, stalk of this leaf. Okay, so many leaves are connected in a single stalk. Okay, so how is compound leaf? Many leaves are connected. Many leaves are connected in a single stalk. In a single stalk. In the simple leaf, leaf is directly connected to the stem, but in the case of compound leaf, many leaves are connected in a single stalk. Okay, then we studied the examples for simple leaf and compound leaf, right? Yes, examples for simple leaf is mango leaf, hibiscus leaf. Then we can find many examples, tulasi leaves, then jackfruit, leaf of jackfruit tree. That all we can say the example for simple leaf because it has only one leaf blade. Which are the plants have only one leaf blade? That are the examples for simple leaf. Okay, so examples for simple leaf: mango leaves, then hibiscus leaves of hibiscus plant, hibiscus leaves. Okay, then we can write many examples. Tulasi leaves, all you can give examples. Okay, tulasi, leaves of tulasi, this all are the examples for simple leaf. Then examples for compound leaf we told, yes, it is many leaves are connected, right? Many leaves are connected in a single stalk we told. So many leaf blades will be there for compound leaf. Example for compound leaf, yes, neem leaves. Then next example we can find, yes, it is, yes, rose plant, leaves of rose plant. Okay, rose plant. Then we can give another example, palm leaves. These all are the examples for compound leaf. Okay, so everybody understood how is simple leaf is different from compound leaf. Simple leaf has one leaf blade, compound leaf has many leaf blade. Okay, this you can easily study. Okay, next, leaf is directly connected to the stem in the case of simple leaf, but in the compound leaf many leaves are connected to one stalk, one single stalk. Okay, examples for simple leaf: mango leaves, hibiscus and tulasi. Example for compound leaves: neem leaves, rose plants leaves, and we can find another example is palm leaves, curry leaves. All are the examples for compound leaf. Which are the plants have the leaf, more leaf blades will be there. That all are the examples for compound leaf. Okay, so everybody take the workbook, children. You have to write date first, page number 11. Write date at first. Yes, what is our X3? Simple and compound leaf. Okay, first question you see, children, you can see two pictures, picture A and picture B. Among these two pictures, which is compound leaf? Yes, picture A is compound leaf. So you have to circle compound leaf, picture A. Okay. Second question, how is simple leaf different from compound leaf? Very easily you can write. Simple leaf has one leaf blade. Compound leaf has many leaf blade. Okay, simple leaf has one leaf blade and compound leaf has many leaf blades. Okay, next question, you can see two pictures you can find here. Two types of leaves we can find here. How are these two leaves different from each other? You can find these two are compound leaf, right? So how it is different each other, children? Yes, we can find that among this leaf, we already told each leaves, small leaves in a compound leaf are called leaflets, we studied. So in the second picture you can see, in a second leaf, each leaflets are again divided into small leaflets. That is the difference. Okay, in the second picture we can see each leaf is again divided into small leaflets. So we can find like this one leaf is again like this one, more leaves we can see. These leaflets are again divided into small leaflets like this, right? So that is the difference. Okay, that is the difference between that two leaves. Everybody need to take the textbook, page number 6. Okay, so we already discussed 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to write practice question 5. Write the difference between a simple leaf and compound leaf. Yes, how simple leaf is different from compound leaf? Simple leaf has one leaf blade. Compound leaf has many leaf blades. Okay. Second question. Name two plants that have simple leaves and Two plants that have compound leaf. Very simple. Yes, two plants have simple leaf. Mango leaves, hibiscus leaves, tulasi leaves. All you can write the example for simple leaf. Example for compound leaf, neem leaves, rose plant, leaf of rose plant, palm leaves. Okay, so this much for enough for today's class. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye.